Imagine you're given a question like this. Calculate the mass of copper deposited when a current of what? 0.5 ampere was passed through a solution of copper 2 chloride for 45 minutes. That means the time is what? 45 minutes in an electrolytic cell. How would you solve it? Very simple question. This concept is on first law of Faraday. Okay, Faraday first law of electrolysis, which said that what? The mass that is deposited is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity that is passed through that same electrolyte. Okay, so that means M equals to what? When you change this proportionality sign to equal to, it becomes Z, then Q. And don't forget that Q equals to what? IT. That means, now the problem with this, that means this is the formula that we need. But we have to know that Z itself is equals to what? RAM over NF. If you know this, you are good to go. Now let's go. That means M equals to Z, which is this, RAM over NF times Q, which is what? IT. If you know this, you can solve any first law questions on electrolysis. So what is RAM? RAM is this, it's given here to be 64. That's relative atomic mass, to be 64. What is I? I is the what? Is the current, which is given to be 0.5. What is T? Time. Don't forget, the time must always be in seconds, and this is minutes. So you multiply by what? By 60 to convert to seconds over N. N is the charge on the copper here. That's the number of moles of this charge, which is 2. Because you can have copper 2, you can have copper 1. So they will give you copper 2 chloride. That's why it's very, very important. N is 2. Then times F is the Faraday constant, 96,500 coulomb. So if you calculate this, if you add this together, you get the answer to be 0.488 gram. That's the mass. Now, I know some of you don't know how to add multiply this in the exam. So this is what you do. You multiply everything up, like 64 times 0.5 times 45 times 60 divided by, you don't press what is here equals to, and you now have what is here equals to, and now divide. You don't have the time in the exam. So what you want to do is 64 times 0.5 times 45 times 60 equals to, you now press equals to 9 divided by 2 equals to divided by 96,500 coulomb. So you get 0.488 gram to be the mass that is deposited. So this is the first equation that you need to solve any first law questions on Faraday law of electrolysis. I hope you get value. Thank you.